Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Folks, how you doing today? So, as you know, I buy a lot of things. My shop is full of stuff. I was going through the inventory the other day and I found two 1940s Bennett gas pumps, as well as one U-cell oil rack. So I'm like, well, what am I gonna do with those? Okay, let's get to work on them. So me and Jaime, we got these knocked down. As you see, what we did is we knocked them down to just the frame. We took out the pumps in the bottom because those are heavy, no good things. Got rid of all of that. Sent them out to full sandblast. Then we sent them to powder coat and did them in shell oil, which is super shell. They came out very nice. And as you know, with powder coat, you can't use body filler. So they have a little bit of their character marks, which doesn't bother me at all, and I don't think it's going to bother you. Extremely presentable pumps. We took all the hardware off of them. All of the hardware on these, the Bennett, the bezel here, the nozzle holder, everything is original and everything has been triple plated chrome. As well as I found the correct, one of them came with the correct nozzles. They're all sent out and been polished. Brand new hoses, I did them with chrome fixtures. As well as we put all the correct badges on them. As you see, these are new, but they're Bennett manufacturer's tags. As well as it contains lead tags all the way around them. They're got a little different bumper and grill. This one has kind of a flat one, and this one has a little more rounded. So these are Bennett 600s, but it could have been 41, and one's a 43. Just like cars, they change little bumpers and grills. So the other thing that I did is I put brand new ad glass in them. I like the super shell thing, brand new ad glass. As well as it's all new rubber around here. Okay, so we did all rubber. The other thing I did is I didn't use the inexpensive plastic bezel rings. These are steel, both are steel with reverse glass. Once again, we put the correct graphics here around the sight glass, which all four sight glasses are in good condition. Then we went to the oil rack, which is a U-cell oil dispensing rack. We did it also in super shell, as well as I had my pinstriper come in and did some real tasty black and red because they're kind of plain, but I don't like to put no squiggles on them. I want them to be real nice and simple, which we did. I also had him go around the graphics with a nice black line because I did not like the red meeting the red. So I took care of that as well. Same thing here, black over the shell, black pinstriping, red here on the sides. The other thing I did is what I like is I'm a light and sign fella. So I put a light inside here shining down. This never had a globe on it, but I was poking around and found this really super cool reverse glass oval Pennzoil globe. And I'm like, that's gonna look fantastic on there. So I incorporated that on this. These are super nice. I would be happy to own these, especially if I had a filling station inside one of my buildings. What I would do, and I could have done, but the cost of shipping is too great. I would build me a 6-7 inch island. I would round the corners, make it 8 or 9 feet by 36 inches. I would paint it the old gray, gas station gray, and I would set these on them as an island. These are all ready to go. They're clean as a whistle, inside and out. What I'm gonna do here is when I'm finished with this video, I'm gonna push these out and I'll get you some still photographs at the other side of them, which clearly look just like this side. What will happen is if you buy these, obviously if you'd like to pick them up, let us know, there'll be no shipping charge. If not, these will go next door to Orange County Crating, which will be professionally crated, and they will be shipped to you, to your home or business. They'll be taken off the truck, set in your driveway or in your garage. You will unbox them and put them into place. I don't know where you just go out and buy a nice gas station set up, a full island. I'm sure there's some out there. I haven't seen any lately. This is a super nice, super shell, correct, beautiful colors, super nicely done. Everything we do is real nice, and these could be yours. So let us know if you want them, and we'll get them shipped out to you. And always, thank you for watching our videos. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. That's the way you get the real-time things. As soon as this video is done, it'll go up to Instagram and Facebook, and then you can see it immediately, even before, because we do put things on eBay. So if you'd like it, you can grab it before it hits there, And we do sell a lot of stuff off of those two venues immediately. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching our videos. Beautiful set. Somebody's going to enjoy them. And nice. Folks, how you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those three things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.